season, the festive season, and it's 28 different artists who are represented here from all over the country. We even have one international artist from the US. And once you walk through, you'll see the common theme. Everything has a religious / festive undertone. So for example, we'll start with the first one there, right? If you look at Pankaj Soni, his works are again festive, but in a very different way. So you take the word festive and you can depict it with that even, because that the firki, all these are all represent Indian festive. Whereas Ram Torat has depicted a village scene. Again, the procession, the festive procession is happening. You can see the religious undertones in the lamp. So, these are all village scenes, but again, that festive. You can see little, the shopping bag. That shows the festive. It's not that they're going farming. Happy faces, festive, right? The horses here, which is Prabhu Rathod, is again the 5 horses. If you can see, there are 5 faces. It's in Hindu custom considered very, very auspicious to have at the entrance of a house. And you put it when you're in the direction of entry of the house. The faces of the horses face in the direction of entry of the house. The next one is a Buddha. So when we walk through, you'll see Buddha is depicted in very varied ways, right? This one is an abstraction. We have another Buddha there, if you turn around, which is very realistic. So, various depictions of similar, cultural motifs. We have, like I explained to you about Nandi Bull. We have a deconstructed Nandi Bull by Vijay Belde. We have Amol Pawar's bull, which represents strength and power. We have H.R. Das's bull, which is very gentle, mother and child bull, right? And beautiful. And in fact, we have Hare with us today, he was the artist of all these fabulous works. So that is Benares. That is an abstraction of Benares. And if that's a very different scene. Mohan Singh has really shot to fame. He does Benares landscapes. His depictions are all of Benares Ghats.
Can you share something about this?
This is Devi, Durga Mata, with all the various, roops. A very, very upcoming artist called Apna Pujari. And a lot of detail, a lot of emotion. If you just look at the work, you'll notice all the various different details and elements that are depicted in this.
So many messages over here.
Yes, absolutely. All the different aspects of Mata.
Of all,
Yeah.
beautiful pictures.
Yes, absolutely.
ये स्टूडियो पे DBM एक बहुत अच्छा कदम उठाया ये आर्टिस्ट के लिए, एक आर्टिस्ट के डिस्प्ले के लिए एक नया स्टेज मिल गया है जो मतलब ये अमृतसर में ऐसे गैलरी बहुत कम है, तो इसके लिए सर और मैडम को मैं पहले धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। ये आर्टिस्ट के लिए बहुत अच्छा कदम उठाया इन्होंने। और मैं मुंबई से आया हूँ, मेरा नाम HR दास और ये मेरा पेंटिंग है बूढ़ सीरीज़ का पेंटिंग, जो मैं शुरू जो है वो नंदी से किया था। धीरे धीरे मेरे इसका फैमिली जो है जोड़ते गया है और मैं नंदी सीरीज में काम करता हूँ। लेकिन मैं पिछले 15 सालों से मैं इस सीरीज में काम कर रहा हूँ। इसके अलावा मैं हॉर्स बनाता हूँ, ह्यूमन फिगर लेके बनता हूँ और सबसे बड़ी बात है मैं स्कल्पचर भी बनाता हूँ जो यहाँ ट्रांसपोर्टिंग के प्रॉब्लम के लिए नहीं डिस्प्ले किया गया है, लेकिन फ्यूचर में वो आपको इधर दिखेगा। ये इंडिया ऑल ओवर इंडिया में जो अमृतसर बाकी रह गया था वो इस बार कंप्लीट हो गया। इसके अलावा UK, दुबई, इंडिया के बाहर भी मैं कर चुका हूँ।